So I was looking for a OCR tool, and that's how I came across Tesseract. Seems to be a popular tool on internet at least, but when I in my experience, it's not that great. So when I was reading their web page, I felt like they are forcing me to use version 4, even though it's in alpha. But I want to try version 3 and 4 both. So let's try version 3 first. So this is the PNG I got. Facebook login page. I kind of cleaned it up. I got rid of all the links I had here from the DOM, so I can have a clean image. And the resolution is 1920 by 981, so it's a high resolution image. Okay, now let's try. As you can see, there are some issues. This should be email, no password found, and login is messed up. Create is incorrect. So there are like the question mark in the password is wrong. 1 2 3 4 5 issues in results in with version 3. Now let's try version 4. Email is fine, title is fine, description is fine. Again, we don't have the password. Login incorrect, login password incorrect. So there are like 3 issues. So as you can see, it's not reliable tool. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I don't know. According to the documentation, I'm correct, I guess. So after that, I wanted to try, instead of feeding the whole high resolution image to, I don't know how to zoom out. How do I zoom out? Okay, control click. So instead of feeding the complete high resolution image, I wanted to basically feed it simple components. So that's what I tried. I got screenshots of those elements, and let's try feeding it to Tesseract. Now let's run it. So we got 5 images but 4 results. All of them are correct, but one is missing, so login is missing. So as I said, it's not reliable, and I don't think I'm going to use this, because if it's going to be this unreliable, there's no way I'm going to complete my project. So yeah, I guess I will see you in another video when I found a reliable solution for OCR. So this is it.